help you? Over here, gotta get the tail too. I'm gonna give you a piece of paper. And we're gonna make a fish print. Want to put it on tail? Alright.
Jackson, what are you doing?
I'll take that.
Give her the brush back, please.
Can I have the brush?
Poor guy.
Put it right here.
He needs some lotion.
So I can put the paper down. You gotta press it.
What is this?
Okay, you gotta put the roller down and come press it.
Jackson, give the nice lady the roller.
Come press it. Pat it down. Okay, let's see what happens on the other side now. Ready?
What they get? This is thinner.
Let's see the other side.
That's why they say that.
All right, Jackson, give her the roller back. All right, Jackson, stop. Let's see what happens with the fish. That kind of looks like a fish. All right, take your paper. Say thank you.